Welcome back to my channel where we explore proven techniques to enhance your mind and life. If you're aiming to boost your focus and productivity, you're in the right place. Today we delve into the Silva Method, a renowned system designed to harness the power of your mind for improved concentration and efficiency. We'll guide you through 10 specific practices that can transform your mental clarity and output. Let's embark on this journey to unlock your mind's potential. Practice 1. Entering the alpha state. The alpha state is a relaxed mental state associated with heightened creativity and focus. Steps. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Mentally count down from 100 to 1, visualizing each number. This technique calms the mind, preparing it for focused tasks. Practice 2. Visualization for task completion. Visualizing successful task completion can program your mind for actual success. Steps. Enter the alpha state. Visualize yourself completing a specific task efficiently and effectively. Imagine the satisfaction of accomplishment. Regular practice can enhance motivation and productivity. Practice 3. Mental rehearsal. Mentally rehearsing activities can improve performance and confidence. Steps. Enter the alpha state. Visualize yourself performing a task or skill flawlessly. Repeat the visualization multiple times. This technique is beneficial for presentations, meetings, or learning new skills. Practice 4. Three fingers technique. A method to quickly enter a focused state using a physical anchor. Steps. While in the alpha state, touch the tips of your thumb, index, and middle fingers together. Mentally associate this gesture with heightened concentration. In daily life, use this gesture to trigger a focused state. This creates a shortcut to enhanced focus during tasks. Practice 5. Mirror of the mind technique. A visualization method to transform negative situations into positive outcomes. Steps. Enter the alpha state. Visualize a current challenge on an imaginary screen. Mentally erase this image. Replace it with a positive outcome of the situation. This practice shifts your mindset towards solutions, enhancing problem-solving skills. Practice 6. Countdown method for relaxation. A technique to quickly achieve relaxation and mental clarity. Steps. Close your eyes and take deep breaths. Count down from 10 to 1, with each number bringing deeper relaxation. Upon reaching 1, affirm your alertness and readiness. Use this method before tasks requiring high concentration. Practice 7. Positive affirmations. Affirmations can reprogram the subconscious mind for success. Steps. Enter the alpha state. Repeat positive statements related to focus and productivity, e.g., I am focused and efficient. Visualize these affirmations manifesting in your daily life. Consistent practice reinforces a productive mindset. Practice 8. Mental screen for planning. Using a mental screen to organize and plan tasks enhances clarity. Steps. In the alpha state, visualize a large screen in your mind. Project your daily or weekly tasks onto this screen. Arrange and prioritize them visually. This technique aids in structured planning and reduces overwhelm. Practice 9. Anchor visualization. Associating a specific image with focus can serve as a mental trigger. Steps. Choose a simple symbol or image, e.g., a lighthouse. While in the alpha state, visualize this symbol and associate it with deep focus. Use this visualization before starting tasks to induce concentration. This creates a mental anchor for quick focus. Practice 10. Daily practice routine. Consistency enhances the benefits of the Silva method. Steps. Dedicate specific times daily for these practices. Combine multiple techniques as needed. Reflect on improvements in focus and productivity regularly, A routine solidifies these practices into lasting habits. Integrating these Silva Method practices into your daily routine can significantly enhance your focus and productivity. Remember, consistency is key. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more techniques for personal and professional growth. Also, check our video on 10-minute Silva Method meditation for deep relaxation. Thank you for joining us on